Hello everyone and welcome back to Crack Course channel. With just 2 weeks left for XAT exam, many of you are wondering what score do I need to hit my target percentile. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about the XAT expected score versus percentiles, the past trends and what you can expect in XAT 2025. By the end of the video, you will have an understanding of what targets you need to set for the exam. If you're feeling unprepared for the XAT exam, then don't worry. We got you covered with our XAT Crash Course. It includes the mock tests, sectional tests, and daily and weekly study plan and video lectures by our faculty. So do check out the link in the description. And now let's get back to the video. Based on predictions, the XAT 2025 is said to be on a moderate difficulty level. So here is what you should aim for. If you're targeting for the 99th percentile, you'll need a score of 40 and more. And for the 95th percentile, aim somewhere between 35 to 37 marks. And for 90th percentile, a score between 30 to 32 should work. And for 85th percentile, you're looking at a 25 to 27 marks. Now let's break it down further by sections. And if you're aiming for the top percentiles like 99, you need 17 marks in Quant and 14.75 in VALR and 12.5 in DM. And for 95th percentile, you need 12.75 in Quant and 12.5 in VALR and 10.5 in DM. And if 90th percentile is your goal, then try to score 10.5 each in VALR and Quant and 9.5 in the DM. Note that the balancing in all sections is the key because a strong performance in one section can't entirely make up for a weak one. Now, these numbers are based on predictions. It's important to keep in mind that the actual scores may vary due to the difficulty level of the exam and how many people are taking the test. Looking at the past trends, the difficulty level of the paper plays a huge role in the scores. For example, take XAT 2024. The paper was on tougher side. So for the 99th percentile, you need a score of 33.5. And for the 95th percentile, you need a score of 26. And for the 90th percentile, you need a score of 23. Now compare that to the XAT 2023, which was easier. But for the 99th percentile, you need a whopping score of 46.5 marks, and for the 95th percentile, you need a 38 marks, and for the 98th percentile, you need 34.5 marks. As you prepare for the exam, keep these minds in trends and adjust your strategy according to the paper's difficulty level, and aim for consistent performance across all the sections to maximize your score. Alright, now let's talk about the colleges and the percentiles you need to get in. If you're aiming for the XLR Jamshedpur and Delhi, you need a 96 plus percentile to have a strong chance. And for XRBM, you need a 91 plus percentile to clear the cutoff. And for IMT Ghaziabad, a 90 plus percentile is all what you need. If you're curious about more college cutoffs, then check out our latest video on top colleges through XAT. It is packed up with all the details you need to plan for your applications. Now this comes to the end of the video. We have covered everything you need to know about the XAT expected score versus percentiles, the cutoffs, and how past trends will help you to prepare. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to Crack Course for more such XAT content. And if you have any queries related to the XAT preparation, then comment in the comment section below, and see you in the next video. Thank you.